How to fix Tiny Bookshop crashing on Steam. So first you want to go to your library, and then you want to right click on the game in your library. Click on properties and then click on installed files. Click on verify integrity of game files and wait for it to finish this process. Now once this is done, you want to click on the browse button and then right click on Tiny Bookshop exe file. Go to properties and then go to compatibility tab. And then check both of these options right here. Click on apply and OK. Now you might find the exe sometimes inside a bin folder, not directly here. And it's pretty much the same process. Now you can go to the general tab, and under launch options you want to type -dx11 like this. Now you can close this window, and then you want to open up your GPU application. So if you have NVIDIA, you will need NVIDIA app, and then go to drivers section and then check for updates, and make sure to download and install the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. Now once this is done, you will need to restart your system, and once you do that, you'll simply open up Steam and launch the game again, and this should fix the crashing issues. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.